this rust on the rim, she'll need a full set of new wheels and tires to get rolling again. Straighten out. Good, hold it there.
Okay, here's the 93 Supra. Paint is heavily chipped, rust on the lowers. Yeah. Flat tires, broken glass.
All right, looking at the exhaust here, pretty severe corrosion. Whoa, looks like a leak on this differential too, gonna need a full overhaul.
All right, connections are solid. Initiating the diagnostic check now.
Good, let's see what we're working with.
Saucer and curry, okay? I have to.
I found significant rust in the rear quarter and front porch.
All right, tread depth is definitely out. Got deep cracks here on the sidewall, and this rim is bent. Yeah, serious corrosion on the... All right, chains are secure. Yeah.
Looking good. Take it slow. We don't want to damage anything.
Yeah, nice and easy, we got it.
Excellent.
All right, that's the last of the old system. Good riddance to that rusted heap.
The chassis is completely bare, ready for the next stage.
The rust is worse than we thought, but we can fix it.
Exactly. This is where the real work begins.
Nice, solid weld beads, almost there. Yeah. Final pass with the grinder, good as new.
Just a little more tension now.
All right, perfect, we're straightening it out. All right, looking perfect. Just one more pass. Ready for color? She's ready. Let's do this.
Excellent. The bodywork is flawless.
All right, time for the clear coat. Keep the passes even, overlapping just enough. Yeah. Look at that gloss. Just needs to flow out perfectly now. That's it, perfection.
The paint is curing nicely. Looks like we hit the perfect temperature. That finish is going to be incredibly durable.
Excellent. Deep shine and flawless. Ready for approval.
break-in is progressing nicely. Everything's within spec.
The orange really pops now. Perfect rebuild.
All right, lowering it down, slowly, slowly. Looking good.
We're almost there, just a bit more left.
Perfect, that's it, lock it in.
Almost there. Just a final check to make sure everything's perfectly aligned.
Looking pristine, as always.
The restoration is going smoothly.
This dashboard looks perfect.
Just a few more screws and it's done.
Secure the bracket, then tighten to spec.
Looks perfect. Comfort spot on. Just need to test the adjustments.
Fit.
Yeah, this seam roller will seal the deal. Feel that texture?
Premium quality, good job.
All
right, first suspension arm is on the Supra. Perfect fit. Time for the second one. All right, torquing this down to the final spec. We need to ensure maximum stability and handling here. Looks solid. That Supra will be a beast on the road. All right, lining this up with the hangers now. Perfect fit. And tighten this up here. See that solid weld following?
All right. Primed and ready.
Looking good. It's flowing now.
Perfect. Another step done.
The finish is perfect.
Almost ready.
It's looking great. Almost done. All right, looking good on the bead. Oh, perfect pressure. Welcome. Today we're checking the brakes on this 93 Supra. First, measure the caliper thickness. Next, inspect the rotor surface. All right, fit it in there. Good. Just need to wire it up now and test it. Looks great.
All right. Perfect alignment. Just need to smooth out this last little section.
Looks incredible. You nailed the Supra placement. All right, perfect. Looks incredible. Ready for the test run?
She's ready, just like new.
All right, here we go. And there she is, beautiful. The engine's singing. What? Perfection. Just how we restored it. Looks good here. Yep, seals are tight. No drips anywhere, we're clear.
Brake test complete. The braking is solid, smooth, and completely within spec. Okay, electrical verification underway. Front left turn signal engaged. Steady blink, verified. Perfect, looks good to go.
The heart of the beast, perfectly rebuilt and ready to roar. The time has come. Here is your key to the Toyota Supra Mark IV. This represents more than just ownership. It's your pass to the open road. I think you're gonna love what we did here. It's absolutely perfect.